In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from unwanted websites. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So maybe you had connected your Google account to websites maybe for the purpose of logging in, and right now you want to remove your Google account from that particular website. This is a video for you. Watch till the end. So to do that, go to your Google account, click on the account, go to manage your account. So once you get to manage your account, go to security and scroll to the bottom. On the bottom, you are going to see your connections to third-party apps and services. So I want to remove my account from DAL-E, for instance. I'm just going to click on it. Just give me a minute, man. Alright, so here's it, and I'll click on delete all connections to DAL-E. Once that's done, my account has been disconnected from DAL-E.